Unveiling Idioms. Go off like a shot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, go off like a shot. This idiom is a gem in the English language, often used to paint a vivid picture of speed and suddenness. Stay with us as we explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Go off like a shot refers to doing something very quickly or suddenly, similar to how a bullet is discharged from a gun. When someone uses this phrase, they're typically describing an action that was initiated and completed with great speed and urgency. It's a colorful way to highlight the rapidness of an event or an individual's swift reaction to something. This idiom is rooted in the imagery of firearms and shooting. Historically, the phrase captures the instantaneous nature of a gun firing. A shot goes off rapidly once the trigger is pulled. Over time, go off like a shot has been adopted into everyday language to describe any action or reaction that is as quick as a gunshot. To help you incorporate go off like a shot into your vocabulary, here are some examples. After the starting signal, the runners went off like a shot, eager to win the race. When the bell rang, she went off like a shot, excited to meet her friends. The moment he heard his name, he went off like a shot to accept the award. Notice how the phrase adds a layer of dynamism and intensity to each sentence, making the actions described more vivid and immediate. While go off like a shot is a widely understood idiom, there are variations that carry a similar meaning. Phrases like faster than a speeding bullet or quick as a flash also convey the idea of doing something with remarkable speed. These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your preference for expression. We hope this exploration of go off like a shot adds a new layer to your understanding of English idioms and enriches your conversational skills. Remember, idioms like this one bring color and life to our language, making your communication more engaging and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!